Some discoveries are rare, others are so unlikely that finding them even once feels like a glitch in reality. From creatures that should not exist to materials the Earth may never create again, these are 10 things so rare they have only been found once. Number 10. Kyothowite. The rarest mineral on Earth was not uncovered in a deep cave, and it was not discovered by a massive excavation. It was found, by accident, in a gem market. In 2010, a geologist browsing stones in Myanmar picked up a small orange crystal, assuming it was something ordinary. But once it was cut and polished, the structure did not match anything known to science. The stone was sent for laboratory analysis, and the results stunned researchers. It was the natural form of a compound that had only ever existed in laboratories. Officially recognized in 2015, the mineral weighs only a fraction of a gram. No second specimen has ever been found. Scientists believe it formed under volcanic conditions so precise, the Earth may never repeat them again. Number 9. The yellow penguin. Penguins are known for their black and white coloring, until one broke the rule completely. In 2019, a wildlife photographer captured a king penguin glowing bright yellow and white, its head and chest shining gold against a sea of black and white birds. Experts believe the cause was leucism, a rare genetic condition that removes pigment from feathers. Leucistic penguins are already extremely uncommon, but this exact color pattern has only ever been documented once. A single flash of color in a monochrome world. Number 8. An intersex whale. For decades, a collection of whale skin samples sat untouched in storage. Then one of them rewrote biology. Collected in 1989, the samples were re-examined more than 3 decades later using modern genetic sequencing. One sample appeared female, but deeper analysis revealed a gene normally found only in males. The whale carried an extremely rare chromosomal arrangement, making it the first and only confirmed intersex southern right whale ever identified. Because whales live mostly hidden beneath the ocean's surface, scientists believe this may be the only confirmed case humanity will ever see. Number 7. Wolves that pollinate flowers. Pollinators are supposed to be small. Wolves are not. In 2024, researchers recorded Ethiopian wolves drinking nectar from tall flowering plants. As they fed, pollen coated their faces and transferred from bloom to bloom. One wolf could visit dozens of flowers in a single run, acting as a surprisingly effective pollinator. It is the only known example of a large carnivore routinely helping plants reproduce. A hidden ecological relationship revealed by chance. Number 6. Heinz stingray. In 1902, a woman under house arrest began collecting sea life to pass the time. Among thousands of preserved specimens were 2 tiny stingrays placed in a jar. They sat untouched in a museum for more than 100 years. When a biologist finally examined them, he realized they did not match any known species. They were officially named, but no others have ever been found. Some scientists fear the species may already be extinct, known only from those 2 silent specimens. Number 5. A 4-star system like no other. Astronomers searching for faint celestial objects stumbled onto something unprecedented. 4 stars, born together, locked in a complex gravitational dance. 2 red dwarfs and 2 brown dwarfs, orbiting in perfect balance. This exact configuration had never been observed before and has not been seen since. It gave scientists a rare window into how small stars age and how the universe builds its most delicate systems. Number 4. A shark with no skin. In 2019, scientists pulled a small shark from the sea and immediately realized something was wrong. It had no skin, no protective scales, no outer layers, not even functional teeth. and yet it was alive. The cause remains unknown. Pollution, developmental anomaly, or environmental stress. Despite repeated searches in the same waters, no second example has ever been found. Number 3. The star that should not exist. Astronomers studying a distant red giant discovered a chemical signature that defied every known model of stellar evolution. The elements inside it suggested it was born from a massive star, one so large it should have collapsed directly into a black hole. Instead, it exploded and left behind a survivor that should be impossible. The discovery challenges what scientists believe about the earliest stars in the universe and how they lived and how they died. Number 2. The rarest blood type on Earth. Discovered in 2025. It belongs to exactly one person. Her blood was incompatible with every donor tested, even her own family. Genetic sequencing revealed a mutation that removed a critical molecule from her red blood cells, creating a completely new blood group. No compatible donors exist. If she ever needs a transfusion, the only option may be laboratory-grown blood, a technology still years away. Number 1. The glass brain. When Mount Vesuvius erupted in the year 79, entire cities were destroyed in an instant. Decades ago, archaeologists uncovered the remains of a young man in the ruins. Years later, scientists re-examined his skull and found something impossible: fragments of black glass inside his head. The extreme heat of the eruption had flash-heated his brain, then cooled it instantly, turning organic tissue into glass. Microscopic analysis later revealed preserved neurons and proteins, the only known example of its kind in human history. The world still holds secrets, some accidental, some miraculous, and some that may never happen again. If you enjoyed this journey into the rare and impossible, there are many more mysteries waiting to be uncovered.